Okay guys, I'm sure you recognize that wing. Been working on it every day, inch by inch, slowly and surely. Today finally I cut the spar at this end. This is the main spar, ply 3mm. Cut it to size to match it out here so that it fits properly, and I will ensure that the matching here and it is strengthened by another doubler of a few inches long, and I've aligned it up totally. You can see this is the top side of the wing, and you can see the top main spar, and also at the back is the bottom main spar, which are made of carbon square tubes. That is the trailing edge, and if you can see, those are the screws I had talked about in my previous videos, and they are still in place because I want to make sure that that is perfectly aligned to what is happening out here. And I still have to get the leading edge of the wing sorted out all the way till here. So till that is also done, not a drop of epoxy or a drop of cyano anywhere on this. I'm going to have a look at this and check it multiple times over the next few days and possibly even a week. One mistake and I would have ruined the wing and made it unusable. So there is no rush when you come to these kind of repair jobs, and when you reach this stage where a lot of hard work has already gone in from morning 8:30 to night 8:30.